Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're showcasing classic contemporary style interiors. This style is curated, minimal and uncluttered. It's about refined elegance where handcrafted quality-made pieces and deliberate use of texture and clean lines are incorporated to create sophistication and to reflect your individual style. The classic contemporary colour palette is neutral. The neutral colour scheme is carried throughout the home. It allows each room to flow seamlessly, and the rich textures used in soft furnishings and decorative objects add interest. Black is often used for grounding and defining a contemporary style room. Line is the most distinctive element of a contemporary style interior. Whether straight, vertical or horizontal lines or curved shapes, strong visible lines are evident in any contemporary style home. Skirting, ceilings, cornices and wall mouldings are modern and streamlined. Flooring choices focus on warmth, luxury and comfort, with a mix of wall-to-wall wool blend carpet seen in living spaces and bedrooms, along with bare timber floorboards in hallways, home offices and dining spaces. Persian and abstract bespoke wool rugs layer colour and texture. Track lighting and recessed lighting wash walls in light, and pendant lighting crafted from bronze, brass and nickel with glass or parchment shades feature in entryways, kitchen islands and formal dining spaces. Gentle ambiance is created through the inclusion of wall sconces with well-crafted parchment, linen or velvet shades. Task lighting is provided by textural and sculptural ceramic, nickel, antique silver and brass table lamps. Throughout the home you will find quality lined, neutral linen or silk curtains, mounted at ceiling height to draw the eye up and give the illusion of higher ceilings. Furniture choices are elegant and bespoke, with each room showcasing a few unique pieces that are quality made, handcrafted and timeless. It's not the place for highly carved and ornate furniture choices. Armchairs, sofas, studded ottomans and stools with exposed legs are upholstered in muted linens, hand-block prints and soft velvets, which create a calming and soothing environment. Custom bed heads, upholstered in quality fabrics with piping or stud detailing, are often incorporated in the bedrooms, adding a luxury hotel feel. Tailored soft furnishings of natural linen blends, cottons, sumptuous silks and velvets create textural warmth and add an inviting feel. The key is simplicity. This is not the place for ruffles, trims, fringes or highly decorative tassels. Artwork of contemporary, framed abstract, original and monochromatic works anchor hallways and fireplace mantels. Classic contemporary interiors tend to showcase space rather than things. Select just a few decorative accessories, which could be candles, muted metallic trays, curated coffee table books, picture frames, glossy handcrafted ceramics and mouth-blown vases. Indoor greenery should be large and dramatic, contained in simple vessels. Larger blooms with interesting leaves add sculpture and form. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these classic contemporary design tips in your own home. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.